line shape and texture. Artists use them, and today I'm just going to explain the lesson that I'm going to be presenting. As artists, we have to keep track of how they're used. These are different types of lines, and the lesson develops and goes through how lines are used. Um, we, in art, you have performance type of standards. So in the performance type of standards, today the students are, or this for this unit, the students are going to use lines and shapes to show texture. So they're going to be actually using these to produce three different types of textures that are going to be larger than life on a 12 by 18 piece of paper. They're going to use a limited palette and incorporate them into a design. It's going to be an implied design, and then they will be reminded that a copy is not as well designed as an original. Original is always worth more than a copy. Here are some past students' works. When they look at these, they will see lines and shapes being used. And this is going to be the part of the lesson that the students will be doing while half of the class is working on the computer skills. In the lesson, they will be comparing and contrasting two famous artists. One would be the Kandinsky, and the other one would be a David. Both different styles. One is non-objective abstract, the other one obviously is realism. And then the students will be getting a list of artists to research. They will be working in groups on this activity, and in the groups they will be looking at these different artists and deciding which artists they want to do, and then they will be asked to make a PowerPoint slide in the likeness of that artist. So this brings in the 21st century skills and the computer skills. They have to research the artist, they have to work as a group, and then they have to produce a work of art on a PowerPoint slide using PowerPoint. So the first slide they will have are all the people in the group that they're going to be working with. The second slide of their group would be the name of the artist and the period the artist worked in, showing their research, along with a sample of the artist's works. And then the third slide is going to be a sample of the artist's work in a likeness. So here is my sample of a Kandinsky in the line, shape, and colors that he might have used to make a computer generated art for a PowerPoint slide had he had the opportunity to use computers. Then at the end of the lesson, they will be using the Padlet.com as a formative assessment to tell me the name of the artist that they're going to do and the people that are in the group if they worked on the computers during that day, or if they worked with line, whether they had any difficulty or whether they found it easy, or what textures they might be working with. If they used the computers, if they had any struggles, they can list those. If they found a tool that really worked well, maybe they'll share how that tool worked for them and give a short demonstration tomorrow.